Tryna see that lighter? Do you think I gonna make them like feel me on this song like what I was saying too much? I kept on begging you to stay. I couldn't hold on, so please.
Yo, shoot, yeah. The first nigga play on my body and then.
Tell him how you beat the catching your fish out here, man.
This one my fourth one, man.
Huh? Nigga, you ain't catch shit yet.
Yo, shut the fuck
nigga,
up,
you ain't
bitch.
catch shit yet,
flex,
yo.
Nigga.
Huh?
Let me fucking flex, nigga.
I know, like, hey, you know I caught more fish in here though.
Nah, more than me.
Fuck you lying. Ah, he thought it was a fish in there.
He said pull it, bro.
She got the fish, man.
This ain't gonna be the third time, man.
It's live out here today, bro. That's all I'm coming to get.
The motherfuckers escaped.
That's how you got caught that thing on earlier. Ah, that one that's in the cooler, gang.
Leave that thing right there, bro. You already know. I don't like taking the L sitting on my ass. I'm gonna catch a bigger one. That's fucked up, bro.
Hey, try again. If you keep on trying.
That's how it is. You fell off that horse. You gotta get back on the horse.
Damn right, don't stay down. Keep going. Can you do it again?
It's not about doing it again.
Hey, fuck it.
It's about learning from your mistakes.
You right. He's still in there. You gonna get him.
I got me throwing that shit too. I think it snapped or something.
You know he hungry. We gonna get him.
We don't get him. We gonna get his family.
Yeah, I'm right. We're gonna get his cousin. So somebody gotta go. Huh? I was lying.
He ain't about it.
It's really not that deep.
He gone. Okay, Nissan.
As long as you can see that yellow.
He by reverse.
I thought it was Maxima. What is it?
That is a Maxima, I think. Frank, before you know he'll come out here and do your shit, man. We hear you talking that slick shit. Tell him, Frank.
Drive the boat.
Tell him.
Let me drive the boat.
Tell him.
Yeah.
Last time I tell you this, man. That thing hit you in the face.
Bro, pain is weakness leaving the body, bro.
He said what?
Pain is weakness leaving the body.
Tell him again. What you say,
Pain is weakness leaving the body.
Hello, you said what?
Pain is weakness leaving the body.
How you know?
Nigga, pain is weakness leaving the body. Bro, trust me, I'm a fisherman, bro.
You a fisherman? What you catch? You ain't catch shit yet. So I can be Frank.
But that's how it is, man.
You got no proof.
See, in life, you ain't gonna catch everything, bro. Some go, some. That's how it is.
You said life what?
That's how it is, bro. What you want me to give a motivational speech of how come I ain't catch a fish?
Take one of them fish I caught earlier and put it on your hook, man.
Why you ain't catch a fish?
Flex with it. I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna hook it back on. I'm gonna do that shit. Go ahead, Ford.
Huh?
Go ahead, Ford.
Huh?
They all scared, man.
Somebody gotta be a leader.
Plastique para debaixo do sol. Se eu quer bem não acabar o dinheiro lá, o dinheiro lá.
Yeah, now we was a rookie that time, man. We ain't catch shit.
Imagine South Carolina.
Get the camera, bitch.
It's on camera, it's rolling. Huh? Huh? He got one. He got one. He do this for a living, alright. Too easy. Okay, okay.
You know it's a little small, but I'm gonna still keep it. It's about my fifth one today.
Huh?
I came through it last night in my truck. Oh, South Carolina won, bro. Georgia missed the field goal. I got to the middle of it. I thought, man, I think I shouldn't have done that. Were you driving? Yeah. Well, I was in my truck. I came through it earlier. Usually, if you can see that yellow line, you're all right. Well, when I got to the middle, I couldn't see the line. Yeah, that's good.
But
I made it.
I'm finna stop this fish, man.
What happened, yo?
I'm finna stop this fish.
Why? He too weak, man.
Fish winning, bro.
He too weak.
Who?
Can't even take a fish out.
Who?
Too weak, man. Can't even take a fish out. He too weak.
Who?
You. Okay, he caught one. Franco got one, man.
Tell you what, that was beautiful, though.
Man, I use the same word most. Unless them niggas.
That's right, nigga. Somewhere down.
Big fish.
There you get the fight, bro. Come on, now. Bro, you can't let him sit there and take your word, bro.
They got fish over there, Jackson, bro. It's probably time to give up. Try crabbing, Frank. Fishing ain't for you if you ain't catching none.
Bro, I caught a crab with a fishing pole. Come on.
Hey, try golf, my nigga.
I'm nice.
You nice?
I'm nice.
Too nice.
I'm nice.
Are you sure?
I'm nice.
You do this with no effort. Oh, it left, yo.
That's some bullshit.
You do the, hey, I thought you do this for a living.
It wasn't that big.
He do this with no effort.
I need to stop talking shit.
Damn, we ain't eating tonight, fellas.
I need to
Damn, Frank, you let that shit go, yo.
No, you can't catch all of them, man. That's how it is.
That's how it be.
In life and in fishing.
Why you, Jackson? How many fish you caught, yo?
I ain't caught shit yet.
You ain't catch none yet? Why?
Cause Frank stole my fishing pole.
Frank did that.
I told her shawty got me on a winning team, please. I told that bitch she best believe. I told that boys fuck it, Trey, I told that beat. How the fuck you do me wrong? Left me for a nigga that wasn't worth it like me. I put it right to be with you, he ain't deserve it like me. I was low-key in a coupe, they put the word out on me. I was blind when they crossed me. I was blind when they crossed me. I was blind when they crossed me.
Nigga, you a man.
Tell him what?
If you don't, bro,
He just asked you what?
every man gotta catch their own fish.
Uh-huh.
What's wrong with them?
Huh?
You can't let another. You can't tell another man to bait your hook.
Huh?
Come on, now.
Huh?
I thought I caught some shit. Mas moi j'ai tiré ça les mouilles là quand maintenant mais ma ka fait me passer en fait. Bah les utiliser worms. Bah sérieux. Moi j'ai la mouille là quand même.
Yeah.
I was blind when they crossed me. 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 I was blind when they crossed me.
For sure. What, Franco?
When they crossed me. I was blind when they crossed me. I was blind when they crossed me.
Bah là j'étais mal tiré en ego. If you want ego on my tiré. And she on the endangered species list too.
You gotta have aim.
Yeah. Shotgun there by
Dude, I get aim, bro. You don't count no. Over here. Huh? Ain't mad people, you know, Frank. Who pay? You scared?
For what?
And them crackers don't play that shit.
I'm in that water, you can't swim, don't hop in. For that